Iran has launched more attacks on Washington's Gulf allies after US strikes on Iranian targets escalated the war further. This evening, Iran's Supreme Leader Mojtaba Khamenei issued a written statement saying the US president's signature on the Memorandum of Understanding was worthless as he threatened to teach America unforgettable lessons.
A week after a ceasefire collapsed, Iran said it will no longer limit itself to retaliatory like-for-like responses. Kuwait says firefighters were injured at this oil facility in Mangaf following repeated Iranian attacks. Satellite images showing the extent of the damage. The UN Secretary-General says he's deeply concerned by attacks on civilian infrastructure in Iran and across the region.
Such attacks are unacceptable. He reiterates his firm conviction that there's no military solution to this conflict and calls for stepped-up diplomatic efforts towards a peaceful and durable settlement. Such a settlement should include the full restoration of international navigational rights and freedoms in and around the Strait of Hormuz.
US Central Command released these pictures of cruise missiles launched from its warships in a seventh consecutive night of strikes last night. US officials say the strikes on southern Iran are designed partly to provide options for Donald Trump, who has declined to rule out a ground assault on Iran's coast or islands. The latest attacks provoking Iran to threaten a full-scale offensive, which could disrupt global energy supplies in the Strait of Hormuz and through attacks by Iran's Houthi allies along Yemen's Red Sea coastline. Eleanor Burnhill, RTE News.